Providence University College and Theological Seminary is located just outside of Otterburn. We have 500 students and about 80 staff and faculty.
The college installed a geothermal heat pump that uses the ground as an energy source. It's much more energy efficient for heating and cooling.
Manitoba Hydro's PowerSmart program has helped us to save energy, save money, and protect the environment.